Red
T-minus
eyed.
nothing.
The eagle has landed.
In the valley of the shadows, land of the scorpion, stung by the darkness, swimming in all the poison. I need some angel music, so damn hot down here. I need some angel music, so to wash away the fear. Come with some angel music, so damn hot down here. I need some angel music, so to wash away the fear. Holy, unseen, I plead, show me some mercy. Grandma, come on down here and sing your prayer with me. Cause I can shine like a raven if I get a little bit of sun. With a little bit of light, just a little bit of sun. I can shine like a raven if I get a little bit of sun. With a little bit of light, I can shine like a raven. I can shine like a raven. I can shine like a raven. In the land of the shadows, the valley of the scorpion, stung by the darkness, swimming in out the poison. I need some angel music. I need some angel music. I want some angel music. The song to wash away the fear. Holy, unseen, I play. Show me some mercy. Grandpa, come on down here and sing your prayer with me. Cause I can shine like a raven with a little bit of sun, a little bit of light, just a little bit of sun. Black feather glisten, just a little bit of light, a little bit of sun. I can shine like a raven, shine like a raven. Black feather glisten. Pull me up from the Snake River. I want to be one. Pull me up from the Snake River. I want to know freedom.
I'm gonna wear this song out, aren't I?
Nah,
I'd
you're
say
gonna
so.
you're gonna make it nostalgic.
Oh yeah,
That's
it's a
what.
good intro. I think it is.
Yeah, absolutely. It
So how's
grows on
everybody
you.
doing tonight? It does grow on you.
Yeah,
We got a crowd in there, don't we? Look at this. And by the way,
yeah,
it is JJ Appreciation Week. If you haven't known by now,
yeah,
so hit
yeah.
those likes. You got to like JJ. No bots allowed.
Hence the poor showing here. Hence the poor showing. Just fucking with you, man.
No, sorry about earlier. I forgot I scheduled it for today. I don't remember what time I set it for, and they're rescheduling me because I think it's for the holidays. So I'm working more and more and more closer to Christmas we get. So, and I had to recheck my schedule every day because they'll write me in the day they don't have anybody to cover that shift. They know I need the money, so it is what it is. Sorry, guys. I won't schedule a stream and not show up for it again ever. That's already happened like 3 times.
Yeah, no big deal, man.
So how's your day been so far, JJ?
Not too shabby, I might say. Not too shabby.
Huh.
Pretty uneventful.
Now I'm going to jinx myself. I'm going to play Jim Anis's last thing. You guys got one called Galaxy A15 and monoscope. It's got Sirius too, plus the moon. So he's got a lot in this whole thing. Is that all right with you if I play that?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, cool. I'll get up on screen for everybody here. And if you haven't subscribed to Jim, I recommend it. We should share the show too. Share a stream with the wonderful people out there in the YouTube land. Never thought I would be saying this stuff. Share it with YouTube. I'll throw it on X too. Watch. Boom. Go to X. Oh.
Yeah, it was a good time last night there playing some tunes over there on Rockfin. That was fun.
Oh, that was fun. Yeah.
It was fun to
find out you're a blues man.
Yeah, I like all music, man.
Yeah.
Yeah,
the blues is definitely a hard thing to mimic, man. You got to know it's part of you, you know.
Oh yeah,
that's what makes it some of the best music out there.
Music is very powerful, man. It take you away from this place, you know. Take you to a lot of places.
Yeah,
it's really like the gateway.
Well, I think it's like the number one inspiration for most of humanity. Music brings us together, you know.
Absolutely.
I'll stick it big for him. Nice little beat, Jim. And watch now. Since I jinxed myself, he's going to show up now that I'm playing his stuff. You got a 6th sense. What the heck is that right there, though? That's the question. Is that serious? I'm going to say yeah. What do you think, JJ?
I think it's Katy. I think it's Katy Perry up there.
Ah, Katy Perry. Yeah, I was thinking about doing like a correlation of the year, like all the hoaxes from the space industry. Let's do
it's the Blue Origin.
Yeah, I like the way the capsule changed, and even the markings on the capsule changed, and the size of the capsule changed, and all kinds of shit that kind of changed. We watched the launch, compared it. But I would just did for the public. They weren't lying about it at all.
No.
How does lightning work? Ask the lightning.
Why are trees good? Why are boobs good?
I don't know, man. They just are. Let's put it that way. We'll leave
that
it
at that. A Joe Dirt quote.
Oh yeah, I remember that now.
Yeah, you mean to sit here and tell me you're owning a fireworks store and you ain't got no whistling Dixies? Whistling with or without the scooter sticks?
The scooter sticks? Dude, the firework industry is a weird thing, dude.
Yeah, it is.
I don't know who thinks of that stuff. And it's not just the Chinese, too. It's like even the American fireworks industry gets corny. I remember when I was a kid, sparklers, man. Sparklers. That's how you light your fireworks.
There's the anus.
I told you. Call him Jimbo. You don't mind if I call you Jimbo, Jim, do you?
He don't care what you call him as long as you call him.
Nah. Just don't call me late for dinner. That was
That's right. That's right. Just don't call me a glober. Those are fighting words. Square up. You know what I'm saying?
You can call me a glober all you want. Don't make me one.
Square up.
Just fighting word for. Yeah, my dad used to go across the street and have dinner with the neighbors when he was a kid, and they would eat dessert first, and he'd go home and eat dinner again and dessert twice.
Nice.
Uh-huh. He had a scam going on. He was working it. I don't think Tehran's here, Mr. Sorry. Oh, miss. I sent her a link. Maybe she'll come. You stream it, they will come.
Yep, book 'em.
I'm gonna pull up 2 of the mainstream videos of how lightning works. See what they got to say about it. You know they got to spin it their direction. I wonder if Fuse School is going to give me a strike. They don't look like they're that big though. There's a smaller one down here. Weather Network.
There she is.
Is Miss Erin here now?
77 in the house.
Yeah, we're talking about you. We're not saying bad things, though, are we? He's not using his P900 here, is he? It says monoscope. The Galaxy. I guess that's the Galaxy he's looking at, or that's the brand. I don't know. You still with me, JJ?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I was speechless.
He's speechless. Yeah, but this is a monoscope, so I was actually going to do this. Me and Mikey and Harmon were talking about it. I'm going to take a monoscope down the Antarctica if I had to get a chance.
I love how you got the Antarctica part right. You got it down.
Well, I got it for the best, JJ. It's your appreciation.
That's right, baby. I won't say Antarctica anymore. It's definitely Antarctica.
It's named for that for a reason. It's the Antarctic.
Yeah, the sun arcs away.
Yeah.
You can learn a lot from Michelle. You know, you can learn a lot from Michelle.
You can.
What to do and what not to do.
Nice. So Jim's stepping up his game. No P900. Hey, Wendy B. Haven't seen Wendy B in a while. I think the last time I saw her.
Wendy.
I think she was over on Sandy's. Yeah, I saw her last. Call Peter Pan quick. There's Josh. Hey, Josh. Oh, I gotta set up a link for the anybody wants to come in. Jeez. Google Meets, man.
Oh, Brenda was trying to get on Vika's today.
Oh, nice.
Oh boy.
He needs the attention, doesn't he? He really does.
Starving, man, starving.
God bless him. He thinks that a DMS is like a Bible or something. DSM, sorry.
DSM, yeah.
DSM. Those are Bibles in his head for some reason. But he doesn't think the Bible is a real book. It has any historic value whatsoever.
Well, let's start with thinking there's more than 2 genders. Houston, we have a problem. I'm not going to be lectured by somebody who has that ideology. Sorry.
Doesn't make any sense to me.
Good job, Anus. Good job.
That was beautiful, dude. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
No, let's not share anything else with that one. I think we're good there. And I'm going to put a link in for Google Meets. I'll pin it in there for him. Boom.
Robot Roger.
I know.
I like it, dude.
Yeah, all the Aussies that, even people I don't know, they were telling me to come into the stream. They're like, dude, my mom's watching you, and she loves the robot. I'm like, okay. So,
I like it too.
Yeah.
It's cool, man.
It is. I got to go pin that link. Got to find the right door to open. I got like 4 or 5. I got it. There it is. Don't want to lose the link, you know. Well, Monkey Cat tried to come in. say hi to us. I see Spin sat back there the last show the whole time. Couldn't type, couldn't do nothing. I don't know. Why did he show up?
The artist Beck comes into mind. You know why? Yeah, he writes that song, Loser.
Beck?
Yeah, Loser. So, Candidor, I'm a loser, baby. So why don't you kill me?
Body pierce. Yeah.
That comes to mind when you talk about Icy Spin sitting back there.
I don't know why, but he did.
Oh boy.
Dude, he's our intellectual superior. You know this, dude.
Oh yeah.
And he makes he made one stream that says led something. He put a spin on my name, right? And I've been led astray, led down the ashtray. That was the name of it. Yeah.
Roger led astray.
Yeah, Roger led astray, led down the ashtray.
Nice.
Yeah, that was a good name for a title. I'm telling you. I bet you got tons of hits on that one.
These guys are creative, man. Or they're probably having AI make up their jokes for them.
Yeah.
I could just see him asking Chat GPT, "Well, how can we make fun of this guy? His name is Roger Ledwell." They got to get their humor from AI.
Yeah. Well, the stream I did after I saw that, I was like, I don't even smoke. That was in the caption. I don't smoke. I don't smoke cigarettes. Let's put it that way. So I don't even own an ashtray right now.
Good for you, man. Good for you. I'm
I'm
envious.
not mad at everybody who smokes. I work with people who smoke on the regular.
I'm
I just don't
envious,
do it.
man. Smoking it's never ending, man. Expensive.
It is, especially nowadays. Oh my god!
Yeah.
Was it like almost $10 a pack?
Yeah. I'm smoking 2 packs a day, if not more sometimes, dude. And that's $10 a pack,
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you go to the reservation, you can get like $6 a pack.
It's like $500-600 a month, dude. You can have a car payment.
Yeah. Well, you want to take a look at this video?
Absolutely.
Yeah, Pablo does some good work, featuring globe refraction and paradox. That's what it says. Pablo's observations. I watched some of it, listened to it on the way home from work. I didn't get to go through the whole thing, but he was mentioning something about globe claims and refraction. He's actually showing you what a mirage is and how they actually work. But I do like the picture because you see the sun rays coming in.
The crepuscular rays.
Oh yeah, it looks
absolutely.
Like it I know.
A local light source, man.
Yeah.
I tell you, it's pesky.
Yeah, you would never get that. But I mean, the only thing the other little magic trick they have is they'll go up with a drone and they'll show you shadows going parallel depending on the height. Like that doesn't prove anything. That proves that the light itself, it's not just light. But when you're looking at the source, you're getting the crepusculars. You have a source of light. That's just that. I've been walking down the street after a couple of cloud covers go by, and I'll get tons of them. Just like the heavens have opened. The crepuscular sun rays are right over my head.
Oh yeah, it's right there, man.
Now let's take a start on this thing. Pablo's observation. He actually, I think he goes through all where he does his observation from. Look at that distance out there. Those are like 15 to 16 miles on average. Those oil rigs.
Prove it.
Yeah, prove it.
I just fucking with you. Prove it, man. Prove it. You don't have no evidence of that.
Well, they went out. They measured the distance out there. I mean, it's in a bay, so you can actually draw a line across it and get a real measurement. Oh, somebody's trying to come in. Holy crap! Who could that
shit!
be?
You called ICP?
No, it's Wesley. He's coming over to say hi.
Bye,
dude. Who's living in whose head? If you want to talk to me, you can come over to Flats. I'm gonna set up a debate with you. He doesn't know that yet, but I'm gonna have somebody big moderate it.
I thought we were boycotting these chumps.
Yeah, I am, but I'm going to do that in public on some bigger platform. I want him to debate his evidence for gravity. And I mean, the real gravity, the one that the physicists actually use, that would be the warping and bending of space time. I'm going to study into it and see where the evidence is for it. So,
Yeah.
you ready?
The real gravity itself is oxymoronic.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but I mean, they don't use gravity in their equations anymore. They use the relativity equations. That's what they go with. That's what the physicists use now.
More presupposing and
and I want to see the evidence for it. You got to prove this stuff scientifically, not any pre-assumptions.
Yeah. Can't be done.
I don't know. Well, let's play it. Am I scared? Not letting Wes in? Oh no. I don't hear anything. Oh, there we go. Pavlov's observations, hypothesis to math, the experimentology methodology. Oh, he's going quick. He's going with the pre-assumed radius value here, the approximate radius of the Earth, the blue marble, the height horizons. Yeah.
There's supposed to be volume or no?
Yeah, I got it on.
I don't hear it.
I think he ain't saying anything is what it is.
Okay, gotcha.
He's just showing his graphs. And there's an elevation profile for one right there. I think it's the elevation profile where he does his observations at. Yeah, it is. And there's all his observations, basically. Oh, a synopsis of what he kind of does. What did I do? No. I got it. There it is. He's showing what refraction actually does with light. And he's showing you what a mirage is compared to. No, that's just cool air to warm air. That's what causes the mirages. That's not a physical thing, by the way. You ever go to a mirage and touch it, JJ?
Oh yeah, all the time.
Just grab that thing.
Got a lump of gas as well.
I think he's trying to get back in again. Oh, it's D-Man. There you go.
All right.
Hey, D-Man. How's it going?
We got to put him through a vetting. You have to tell us your 10.
No, not much. I'm just going. Pablo's dog put out a whole video. I just wanted to go over it. And it's JJ Appreciation Week. What else is going on? Yeah. I'm going. Wesley's back here somewhere. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. I got to get a link for you. Give me 1 second. I do have a link I can grab. Copy it. Wasn't that, who was it? Daft Punk. Print it, copy it, paste it. You haven't heard that song, have you?
I have not. Or maybe vaguely. I think I have.
Yeah, that is one of their songs. They do like a draft it, print it, paste it. It's like a computer song, I think. Right. There's a link in there for you, man. All right, catch you on the other side, man.
Yeah.
D-Man's here. Look here. Boom, boom. I heard you were over on Tinfoil Hat today.
Yeah, for a couple of minutes. That show was kind of weak. I was over there for a little bit. I'm not giving Larry shit, but it was the other guy. It was the guy that co-hosted there. I forget his name.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were talking about like recovery stuff and shit. I related to a little bit of it, but they had some
NBD. No,
or I forget it. Yeah, the guy that wears the hat with the hat with the ear ring things, like the loops in his ears. I forget his name.
I'm not getting any volume with this.
Rico?
Yeah, Rico.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop this video.
That's his channel. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Rico Sombrero. Rico.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've been on it. I've been on that show.
He's talking recovery stuff. Yeah. I'm talking about recovery shit. Somebody was yapping about Jaron in the chat.
Oh boy.
And I said, yeah, they were talking about organic. Oh yeah, these guys they don't get the views. And I was like, yeah, I said he doesn't get the views because all his shit's all not real. It's all fake. It's all fake because subscribers. I said, look at his last thing. It's only got 300 views. He's got 160,000 subscribers.
Yeah. After TFE, man, I'm going to go with this. That they're going to end up like becoming completely reclusive, and their conscience is going to start bothering them, and it's going to be kind of like the astronauts from the moon landing.
I don't think they care, but still, it was just the guy was talking about it, and I dived in there for a couple of minutes, but the chat was kind of weak, so I was like, all right, I'm out of here. I did some other shit.
Nice. I'm just going to pull up Pablo's channel and go to that stream.
What were you looking at before that was showing that little water pool thing? What was the picture you just had up?
Yeah, that was it. I got no volume with this. It's it's not coming through, so I'm going to have to go to his website and play it straight from there. I downloaded this, so I should have volume, but I'm not getting it. I got to find Pablo now. There's something about the download, I guess, because I did it on my phone on the way home.
Yeah, it might be because it's the phone gets weird. Mine, it started doing something today. When I got up this morning, this afternoon, 10:30, 11 o'clock, and I noticed that every time I go to the videos, it doesn't auto set the video quality.
Yeah.
It's making it so that you have to manually select the quality every single video you watch. And I was like, oh, okay, yeah, YouTube's getting fucky.
It keeps resetting it to poor quality.
Yeah, it puts it down to 144 no matter what.
I know
it pisses me off.
Yeah, doing it now. It didn't do it last week. It's doing it today. So I was like, oh, great, thanks, YouTube.
The next person I'm waiting to see come back in the arena again would be Dave Weiss. Would be the one I'm thinking is going to show back up again and try to defend himself in our little group over here. Damage control, Dave.
He was just on today.
Uh-huh.
Well, he had a premiere.
He doesn't care. He said it himself. He doesn't pay attention to anybody's channels.
He wants the evidence of why he's a shill.
Evidence? Okay.
Yeah. Where's your proof?
Oh, man. I don't know how you prove somebody. The whole point of being a shill is that you don't leave any proof behind. Like, I'm shilling, but I'm going to tell you I'm shilling. Where's the proof?
Shilling like a villain.
No.
Yeah.
I think the fact that he's actually defending both sides at the beginning is an obvious sign,
Yeah, he would have been fine if he didn't do that, I think. But I'm glad he did. I'm grateful for everything that's happened, man. It's just very exposing, and it seems like it's very negative and damaging, but it's quite the opposite.
Yeah, weeds them out, man. Get rid of the people who are going to turn on you later.
100%. And it sucks, man, because it sucks, dude, because really, you can go listen, a new guy can go listen to Dave tomorrow and learn a lot, dude. And here I am talking trash, it sucks, but it needs to be done. I just call it for an ace and a spade a spade.
Mm-hmm. And the same with the other two clowns, Or I could actually call it three clowns if you want to take the eye candy in the mix. She was one of them. She is, dude.
What's that?
The one you're supposed to be drinking. Lizbeth.
Oh. It wasn't that Beth, though. I thought they were talking about the UK Beth. I don't. You know who Beth is, right? I don't really know her, dude. Not Lizbeth, but
I don't know who that other Beth is.
She's like the Brenda from UK, kinda. That's what I think of.
Oh, I know who that is.
Like,
I know.
It's like the bender gender that pushes ball and fly. I don't know. She's like,
she does. He does, or whatever it is.
I don't really pay attention, but I vaguely heard of her.
Yeah, I watched a show with her on a panel, or him on the panel, whatever you want to call it.
I thought that was the Beth that they were referring to, but it didn't matter either way. It was meant to be insulting.
After TFE, they actually put out a stream. Somebody did and had him on, or her, or whatever it is. Yeah, and I'm like, who is this person? They act like they're like carrying weight in here or something. I'm like, all right, I don't know who they are. You ready? I think let's try to see if this got volume with it.
Yeah.
Good to see you, Jeff.
Jeff's here, Mr. Gashead.
Gashead himself, the one, the only.
Nice. Yeah, Nathan,
the purpose of my observations is to gather data to allow for the assessment of the shape of the Earth's surface. This presentation is organized in a scientific experiment format, as seen in the table of contents below. Starts with a hypothesis, the math, experimental methodology, the atmospheric considerations, the observational information of the experiment, the results and data, a bit of discussion, and then a conclusion. Hypothesis. If globe, the surface must curve at a specific rate, based on the radius of the Earth of 3959 miles. The math. If the surface curves, objects in the distance must get hidden beyond the globe's physical horizon. A simple metric is how much should be hidden, simply called hidden height, which is an easily calculated value given observer height and distance.
Mm-hmm.
How did they see those methodology? Mountains? How did they see those mountains?
First, find a good location and conduct.
I have no idea because it would be behind the hump.
That's right. A 50-mile hump.
The lovely lady lumps.
So right there off the bat, he obviously didn't do any fucking research whatsoever on observations when he was doing this. So he didn't say, shit, let's go online and let's see what the fuck these people are seeing at long observation. So you know that this is flawed right off the bat.
Yeah, well, he's one of these guys that do these observations. So.
How dare you question their attempt to indoctrinate you?
But how does he not see the same thing that I see?
Well, he does. I play his stuff all the time.
So you know how he came to this hypothesis.
Well, he's testing this hypothesis out in real life. That's what you're going to see. Right. He's going to break this down for you. He's a flat earther, dude.
Yeah, he's a flat earther.
Yeah.
Right. Let's see what happens. I was going to say, because then why even go to that point? Just to show a bunch of videos in a row, little small clips with the line space in the middle, and that's how I would have done it in a yin yang. I would have done it on this side, and I would have showed the observations on a split screen to say, here's the distance, here's the distance, here's the distance of this, here's the light. Like, I would have done it at the same time. So you can have your scientific shit on one side and you can have the visual on the other.
Yep. Well, he does 360 pans. That's what he normally does. So
okay.
He goes out to Santa Barbara or somewhere like that near the university.
He goes to the same place that what's his name used to go, Jay Tolan. Up on the hills.
So he gets his observations, man. He gets good ones, so I like his stuff.
All right.
Yeah.
Repeated observations from that location. Repeated observations provide evidence for the assessment of factors such as atmospheric refraction, which is highly variable. It's known to sometimes raise and sometimes lower distant objects. Atmospheric considerations. The physics of downward refraction. If one observes a superior mirage in the background, it can be inferred that there's a temperature inversion with cooler air under warmer air between the observer and the mirage. This also produces a looming or towering effect, as well as fata morgana. The light's just hitting your eyes at a higher than actual angle. Again, when there's a temperature inversion, some of the light from a distant object refracts downward and hits your eyes at a higher than actual angle, as shown in this diagram below. Occasionally, one can observe the temperature inversion line created by the interface of higher density cooler air and the warmer air above. It becomes pretty obvious, as shown in the picture below. Here's a few examples of downward refraction from my repeated pans. This optical effect is almost always limited to the background elevations. Another example here. Here's another example of downward refraction. This one's kind of interesting. We've got Hogan at 17.8 miles, and there's a slight superior mirage right above the rig here. And there's also, looks like there's a band of looming over here. There's a line here and a line here, maybe a temperature, you could call it a temperature inversion, I guess. But it looks like it's being stretched upward in this zone. And another example of downward refraction. In this case, we've got a tree that's being loomed upward and then a superior mirage above it. That's at 30.6 miles. The tree's at about 280 foot elevation. You know, in some cases, I'm speculating there's a layer of warm air, then cooler, then warm air here, because you get some what looks like, you know, stooping or sinking along the base of the rig here and even along the ridge. And here's another good example of downward refraction. In this case, it's a superior mirage or fata morgana above Clark's Peak. That's about 55 miles. The peak in front's about, I think it's about 50 miles. That's La Jolla Peak. And then platform C right there at 13.1 miles. But these effects are typically limited to the background only.
So it's not the oil rig that's being refracted. It's the...
and the last example of downward refraction. This one's pretty good. It's Fata Morgana above Laguna Peak down there, about 49 miles from UCSB. It's right above Magoo Naval Air Station. Those are the domes and the top of the peak there reflected upwards. So the light from those objects are actually hitting your eyes at a higher than actual angle. The physics of upward refraction. If one observes an inferior mirage, like a hot road in the summertime, it can be inferred that there is warmer air under cooler air in that area between the object and your eyes, along your line of sight. It's also referred to as upward refraction. This produces a sinking effect and apparent downward displacement of objects in the distance, the light from the distant object hitting your eyes at a lower than actual angle.
Kind of like bouncing
Can
off
I
the
really
ground.
infer there's warm air under cooler air along the line of sight between my camera and the inferior mirage? So I asked Google AI the same question. See the answer down in the yellow highlighted area below. It says, observing an inferior mirage at a distance of 25 miles, that's just an example, confirms the presence of this specific atmospheric condition, warmer air under cooler air, along your line of sight. This is just what you see is what you get. Here's another diagram depicting upward refraction. In this case, it discusses a vanishing line effect where some of the objects in the background get obscured by the mirage.
Now, hold on a second. You saw that right?
This diagram was created by Life is get obscured.
This right here? The horizon's not the refracted part.
No.
No. And that's well over the geometric horizon. I love these things.
By the mirage. This diagram was created by Life is Short channel on YouTube a few years ago. It explains why things are hidden bottom up in the distance. For example, refraction over water is almost always refracted upward. It creates a sinking effect. So, like it says at the bottom, you will most often see buildings, boats, landscape, oil rigs appearing lower than they actually are. Some of the light gets lost into the surface, so you're not going to see the bottom of the object. In general, the normal condition of the atmosphere supports sinking and inferior mirage, or upward refraction, as seen in this diagram. You got warmer air on the surface to cooler air in the atmosphere. The surface warms up, especially around towns. You know, you got roads with asphalt, that type of thing. The opposite is called a temperature inversion. It's called an inversion because it's the opposite of normal. So you've got cooler air, then warmer air, then
this is he's dragging this on though. Is everybody getting them?
Here's a description of what a temperature.
Let's get to his observations. I think it'd be better.
And another example, same place. This one I believe is taken in the morning time. But also you can see that the rig here, the boom on the right, is reflected below, and you get the rounding effect again over here. Here's another example of upward refraction. In this case, we've got two locations at the same time, a few seconds apart, actually. In this case,
did you actually get that? I'm going to stop this for a minute. The upward refraction pulls it down, so it's not where it physically is. When you get upward refraction, it appears at a higher angle than it really is. It pulls the image down.
Yeah, if you took a boat from that spot where the photo was taken and went out to it, what do you call it, would move further and further and further away from you. As you moved, it would move with you. It doesn't stay fixed. So that's kind of the thing, is that effect is merely just an effect because of the water itself.
That's your favorite thing, D-Man, the shit zone.
Yeah, that's that shit layer on above. That's just dirty ass. It's got so many things happening that it causes problems. But if you, like I said, you got in a boat from that point and then started going towards that oil rig, that convergence point is going to move with you. As long as you elevate, as long as you don't raise yourself up or drop yourself lower, that point will stay steady from you. If the light stays the same and the angle of the light stays the same, you'll notice that it'll move with you. So that point will change. That's why I laugh when those guys say, "Oh, it's obviously the curve of the Earth." It's like, no, it isn't, because the curve of the Earth wouldn't be moving with you. First off,
dude,
and we know the water's flat.
He's getting a mirage at 30 miles right there, 30.6 miles. Look at that thing.
Yeah, I mean, you could get a mirage at even shorter distance from that if you lower your observation point.
Yeah.
So
he did put this together well. He's been doing this stuff for like the past 2 years, I think. I think Pablo's dog is a little north of him. Not Pablo's dog, but BSL M69, the bow. He does the same thing in his bay. He makes the same oil rig observations on a regular. And you can find out exactly what's going on once you study the optics of refraction, or mirages is a better way to put it, I think. Yeah. It's a combination of the two. It's not pulling the object over a curve. It's bringing the object down and makes it look lower as you go further out. And the mirroring effect actually will hide the horizon to a point, right? You think?
Well, just raise yourself up, and that convergence point will go further away from you. Lower yourself down, that convergence point will come closer to you. So it's simple.
I got to ordain somebody right quick. Hold on.
Man, it's ladies' night in here. We got Sarah G. We got Heron Song.
Sarah G.
Veronica Joseph. It's ladies' night on JJ Appreciation Week.
JJ brings all the girls to the yard.
The milkshake.
So how you doing, Ryan?
I'm good. I just got back. Yeah, I just got back. Sorry.
Your vacation's over now?
Yeah, it's over.
That's sad. I feel sorry for you. Yeah, I know. I wish I had a vacation.
It was my grandson's birthday night. So.
Oh, nice. Cool. How old is he?
I don't know.
You don't know how old your grandson is.
Oh no, I don't remember what I was going to say.
Okay, I can't help you with that, buddy.
It'll come to you. We took him to the water slide. Remember I told you the place we go to is called Great Wolf Lodge, and they have water slides inside the building that's indoor. It's pretty awesome.
Huh. How was it?
It was fun. We had a good time.
Did you get wet?
Oh yeah, of course. When I water slide,
that would be the whole purpose.
Funny looking people. People watching is the most fun for going to the water place.
Sarah G said, Roger JJ D-Man combo brings the chicks.
Oh, yeah. One hot number. Yeah. Oh, hell. Did we get something in here? Oh, we did. Right.
Cookie
Monster. Hey, do you have any cookies?
No.
Yeah, I do. Actually, I do.
What do you got?
I
want some, man. I didn't. The only thing I had to eat was a beef and cheddar earlier at work.
I just ate cookies.
Those aren't. It's not real food, by the way. I don't know what it is.
Cookies? Yeah, it's real food. It's made out of flour.
No, I'm talking about a beef and cheddar, man.
Mystery meat.
I don't know about that.
Mystery meat and cheddar.
Yep.
Delicious, ain't it?
I wish they had those things around here. They don't have them up here. Last time I went to one was in Florida. me and my cousin got up late. We were late. He's like, "Come on, you want to go get something to eat?" I was like, "Yes, come on, let's go." We got in the rental car and went down and got roast beef sandwiches. It was good.
Nice. Yeah, roast beef was a delicacy back in the day. It was like the food of the royals. They actually would the way it's produced, the way they did it. It's like it's time consuming. It's preparing roast beef. You got to do it right. You had prime rib, right? Everybody's been to the casino.
My mom used to make a hell of a pot roast. She'd make a killer pot roast in with carrots and potatoes and stuff. Oh my god! Like, smoked shoulder and stuff.
Smoked brisket. I make killer smoked brisket.
Good so stuff. I think we got the. We'll see if we get to Pablo's conclusion with his hypothesis. Let's go over.
Yeah, so I call it the roast beef hypothesis.
There you go. Yummy. So this is where he's shooting from. Look at this distance here. That's the campus here where he does most of his observations from. He pans from here to here. I think he pans out this way too. So he goes a 360-degree pan.
Nice.
I know. Yeah, he's thorough. Let's listen to him and see what he's got to say.
This is the Peak Finder rendering of my view from UCSB. So over here we've got the Mesa Lane Cliff, the La Conchita Beach in the background, over to the tree above Ventura, and across the Pesky Ridge here, all the way over to Magoo Peak. You can note that this ridge is actually shown as it is. The first time I started looking at Peak Finder years ago, this ridge was actually hidden, as was Magoo Peak for the most part. They've changed the rendering to raise it up to make it look more actual.
But why would they lie, Pablo?
Why would they lie?
Secret spies from China steal my mind's elation.
Oh, yeah. And space is made in the Hollywood basement, too, right?
Yeah. Secret Asian man.
Somebody's bedroom.
Welcome.
Is Sam in? Oh, nice. Hey, Sam.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
All right, Cookie. What else did you do while we're stopped? Besides go to the water park, you had to do something else. You had a birthday party?
Yeah. We just did that today.
Ice cream. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
What'd you get your grandson for the birthday?
I took him to the Great Wolf Lodge. It cost like $1,000. That's what he got. That's it.
There you go. Jump around, break an ankle.
Yeah, there you go. You'll remember this day forever.
Yeah.
Magic wand, so you could play a stupid wizard game in the building. There's like all these little screens that you can go around and you wave your wand at them, and you got to go like back and forth between all these little items that are glued to the ceiling and the walls and stuff. It's really cool, kind of.
Yeah, you've been there before. You took me on a trip over there on a show. Remember?
I did.
Yeah, we did a live stream while you were there.
Yep, for sure did.
Yeah.
Nice. I was there for 2 days. That time. Overnight.
How about JJ? When are you taking JJ? This is appreciation.
I know it's appreciation week, dude. JJ.
He knows where I live, right?
some Harry Potter settings, man.
Right.
He's part of Slytherin. No, that's McToon.
That's right.
I'll be right back.
All right. Let's play some more of this.
This slide shows evidence of the elevation at UCSB where I shoot from. This is off a map of UCSB. It shows a 41-foot elevation at the parking lot. And this is from my camera showing a 40-foot elevation. So you add 5 feet or so for my tripod. I'm at about 45, 46 feet. But, the tide varies quite a bit. We've had king tides lately at 7 feet and then downwards of -2 feet when they get low. The sample size of my repeated measures is currently at 138 pans. Most of those pans are across different days. But there's quite a few where I've done 2 a day, especially recently. Do note that I only video when I can see the far shores. Much of the time across summertime, for example, it's really too hazy. So really the season goes from, let's say, October to, April, May.
That's why I like the clear pan days. You get further shots, man. And it has nothing to do with curve. It has everything to do with the weather and everything else. He's proven the point as we're going.
End of June sometimes, but then it gets just too hazy and foggy to see anything. My camera equipment, I started out with a P900 like most folks, and then switched to the P1000 a couple of years ago. I really like the P1000. You just got to be careful with the focus and lock it once you get zoomed in. The picture on the right shows my camera at UCSB at my typical location.
Nice equipment, though. And at least
results and data. So I picked 3 targets in my field of view. This one is the spot above La Conchita Beach. It's a landscape feature. You can see it here on the right above La Conchita Beach. This is a community. These are the stables over here. It's taken from Rincon Point surf spot by this guy here. He's an excellent photographer. Anyway, the spot's estimated to be...
That makes me want to go surfing. How about you, JJ?
Hell yeah, man.
Yeah, I ain't been surfing since I was like mid-teenager. I got hurt really good. I got flipped over, caught in an undertow, got drugged down to the bottom, smacked my head on a piece of coral, and it got wrapped up in my ripcord. And I'm like trying to get out from underneath my board. And eventually it popped back up, and I wiggled my way to the top of it. But man, I thought I was going to die. I was bleeding when I got out.
Yeah, can't be having that.
No, but it does happen when you're riding waves, too.
Yeah, you gotta work tomorrow, you know.
Yeah.
That's the bad part, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's fun while you're doing it, though.
Work.
The price we pay.
Yeah. What are you saying about work, Ryan?
I said most surfers don't work, do they?
Yeah. No, they don't.
You got a point there, man.
No, unless you work at a surf shop, you need cardboards and wax them for.
Well, yeah, but that's not really working, is it?
Not if you enjoy it. Hey, dude, you love what you do, man. You know, you never work a day in your life, right? That's what I've heard. I love making sandwiches. I never work a day in my life, dude. I had to feed over probably 400 people through my shifts a day. That was probably the head count. And when they come in and get the drive-through, you're feeding like 10 people at once half the time.
Yeah. Or one big person.
Hey, leave Harmon out of this. All right.
Harmon's been MIA lately, or have you seen him?
No, I ain't seen him, man. I have no idea where he's been. He's probably busy going to the truther conventions like everybody else is out that way. He was at the last one, wasn't he?
Yeah, the one in Arizona. But that's only because it was right down the street from him. I don't think he could move that far from his couch, dude.
No, the lazy boy.
That's a low blow, man.
It was.
Yeah, I'll take that back, Harmon.
Yeah, we apologize, Harmon. We're having fun over here.
I like to give Harmon a hard time, man.
Yeah. All right, let's get back to the Pablo before we get side rail. It's going to take forever to get done.
About 100 feet above mean sea level. It's 22.7 miles from UCSB. It's about 98 degrees as a view angle from UCSB. The globe hidden height is 140 feet, so nominally without any refraction, it should be below the horizon. The view's 99% across water. Globe horizon would be at 8.2 miles.
Nice. All right.
Here's a view of the spot I took from driving south on Highway 101. The highway's about 20 feet above La Conchita Beach, and here's the spot, around 100 feet to 125 feet above mean sea level. These are the stables, and to the left is the community of La Conchita Beach.
That must be south of it.
The distance to the spot from UCSB is 22.7 miles. Target number 1 data. This is from the spot.
Don't worry about it.
I summarized all of my pans and created a histogram, as can be seen on the left here. It's categorized as visible above the apparent horizon, hidden by inferior mirage, or too hazy. So as you can see here, 97% of the time, the spot is observed above the apparent horizon, even though it's in the zone of the hidden height for the globe. So 3% of the time it's hidden by inferior mirage or haze only, never by what appears to be an actual physical horizon.
No way.
This histogram summarizes the appearance of an inferior mirage at or below the spot.
I'm going to say
so you can see that 30% of the
just
time
debunked the globe again.
I want to appeal to hand dismissal and fallacy.
Sure, go ahead.
Yeah, GG, man. You know, guess what, ladies and gentlemen? It's flat.
There you go.
Topographical.
Yeah.
Conclusion.
I'm going to share this with you guys if you want to look at it on your own. If you like this kind of thing, I'm going to put it in the chat for you. I like these observations, man. I do.
He did a good job. Yeah,
he does. He's thorough, man. So I mean, if it fails in all of his bands, what do you say? Like on a clear days, all his observations, no physical apparent horizons, no physical horizons over 22-mile distance, that debunks what you claim your actual sphere is in your observation, even with his height and everything. And most days, yeah. So yeah.
Back to looking at the sky. What's that up there? Yeah. The ground is curved. Look up.
Yeah, you can tell by the sky. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's how you know it's curved. You know it's curved.
That's why I say every time it gets to the physical part of it, none of it works. None of it.
Nope. I wish the guy did.
Wah, wah.
I wish I could unsee what I've seen. You know what I'm saying?
Them pesky flat earthers. They would have gotten away with it. It was a few mangly flat earthers. Mangy ass flat earthers.
Would have got away with it too if it wasn't for you meddling kids.
Like, let's get back to the mystery man, Scoob.
Oh, you do a good Shaggy there, JJ. Jesus.
Like, holy shit, Scoob.
So you did do the voice of Shaggy, huh?
Yeah, I did.
We found out your secret, JJ.
You got me, man.
These old Hanna-Barbera voices.
It's out.
Yeah. Now this one get viral now.
Mystery, Scoob. Total mystery.
Well, I can't do a Scooby. I got too high of a voice, I think.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Yoinks. Something like that.
No. Does lightning go up or down? High-speed cameras, what do you think?
Both.
That sounds like a good one.
Both, dummy. Connect somewhere in like lower atmosphere connects, but yeah, it goes from the bottom up.
Did you say a dirty word just now?
Both of them?
No, up atmosphere.
Oh.
That would be
the sky is a dummy, so it kind of does fit, doesn't it?
We got to have
bounce once. I seen it hit something.
Weird.
Yeah,
I seen it hit something and bounce to something else. Go to some, to some metal thing.
For the truth, though, Steve.
Yeah, didn't we do a thing on ball lightning one night, man?
Yeah,
because they claim it means something, doesn't mean much.
So, what does magnetics have to do with lightning?
Probably everything.
No, I was told that all electrical charges have a magnetic field to them.
Yeah, probably.
Is that a true statement?
They cause one.
Can you prove it? Can you prove
it? You probably could. Probably.
Yeah, I would imagine it's demonstrable, measurable, testable, observable. What more do you want?
I don't know. But how does that prove a globe Earth? That's what I want to
know. Damn you, Roger. Damn you. You're spoiling all the globe
gravity.
Fun.
No,
gravity. Yeah, gravity. Gravity.
We got into the nuances of RDD and gravity today on Flash's show. Me, Wes, and Anthony got into a heated argument over it. It was good. I liked it. It was a good back and forth, dude. We actually did banter back and forth good. But the thing is, Wes tried to obfuscate to some other way to prove gravity. He's just worming his way out of.
Say it ain't so, Roger.
Trust the sky.
Is that what you're going to do? That's where you're going to be, D-Man? Is that how you're going to treat me? We're going to go there? Is that what you're going to do?
Your logic is refracted, bro.
It is.
It's all being raised. Yeah, it's all jacked up.
West does the best. I mean, D-Man does the best West, though, out of the bunch, doesn't he? Don't talk about him like that, though.
Really, Roger? Really? This is what you're doing now? Really? Now, write the insults. I see how you are. I say, really? Why don't you tell us, Sov?
I'm in your head. I don't live rent free.
Dare you?
Whatever happened to Greta?
Who cares?
She got arrested going over to Israel to protest Palestine. I remember that.
That was dude, right?
Everybody's a dude.
Everybody is. You don't know? You didn't know?
That's JJ. He'll tell you all about it.
Yeah, just give him the reach around and you'll figure it out.
Yeah, you'll find a snake in the trouser, huh?
Just yank the pants down, no problem.
Pull the duct tape off.
Yeah.
It's
it needs to breathe. Peter's in here talking about sky science again.
You're talking about Peter. Stop it, Roger. You're making me laugh.
Science. No, that's Peter, man. Peter's the man with the word of the day. Science.
Remember, I triggered by the weirdest shit because I was abused. Remember, so you say weird stuff.
Don't be abused. Stop the abuse.
I like Peter's thumbnail, by the way. Motorboat is in the house. Much love, fan.
Yeah, hey, Motorboat.
Yeah, his profile pic, the penguin's upside down.
So let's see if lightning goes up or down. You ready?
Well, penguins would be upside down, wouldn't they?
Yeah, well,
there's
lightning
no such
going
thing
up
as
and down.
up or down, Roger.
Oh yeah, that's right. There's only in and out, and they're delicious. They have good animal fries. I love the place. You ever been there?
I gave Roger a video for up and down.
Oh, you did? Is there one in here?
Yeah, it was the
the Sesame Street one. Yeah, I got it saved somewhere. I think.
Just in case you need it, if you ever need it, you can pull that out and say, "Okay, guys, listen. Here's up and down. All right."
It's perpendicular to gravity. Duh.
Yeah, that's what up and down is. And how do you measure gravity? Where does the measurement start with gravity?
How do you know what?
Buoyancy, but I don't think you can measure gravity.
Yeah, and if no direction is truly the up, then how do you get the tilt, and how do you know what's 90 degrees? The 23.4 tilt, and from what? You're in space hurling in fucking 4 different directions. I don't get it. Like, how do you know what direction that is, man? There's no such thing, right? A true up?
Oh,
no,
there's not one. Yeah. There's no true up.
Make it make sense, Roger. Make it make sense, damn it.
I'd just like to see him demonstrate a spinning ball of water not going all over the place.
Steel man it for me.
See what happens to a record when you spin it 1,000 miles per hour, right?
I fried my brain after today when I was told weight was an actual force. So.
Is it really?
Yeah, I'm getting dumber by the minute.
Yeah.
So why doesn't it sink to the concrete when you set it on the concrete if it's really that heavy?
Oh, weight holds it in place,
According to Weiss, I'm dumber, dude. You say you're the stupidest flat earther, but Weiss called me the dumbest today. I'm the dumbest. That means I get the trophy, dude.
Oh, there you go. So, but we got dual barrels here. We got the stupidest and the dumbest.
And the dumbest, dumb and dumber and stupid. That's D-Man's guy. D-Man's
dumb.
I'm the dumbest.
I'm the dimmest.
The dimmest.
He's go lower than dumb. Dumb.
All right, Dopey. Let's check out the lightning.
Embrace it, baby.
Yeah, I guess that's why I'm doing these stupidest flat earther streams. I got
right.
Hey, I roll with the punches, baby.
That's right.
You're a flat domer, by the way. I heard
they're going to be confused by your tactics. You know what I'm saying?
I'm the one of flat domers.
Okay, Ario.
Somebody said you were on the tinfoil hat man. You said something about it is flat, baby, or something. What did you say, JJ?
Oh, somebody was talking some kind of shit, and I said, "Oh, it's flat as fuck."
There you go.
It must have been timing because that James dude from Extracts or whatever was claiming he don't claim to be a flat earther. Apparently,
yeah, that's when I caught it.
And you're like, it's flat as fuck. I don't know. That's what I saw.
That was
my perspective.
I was going to type in, he's not going to take a side because he wants to sell his shit to everybody, and then just trying to be respectful to Lowry, and that's why I didn't say it.
Yeah. But I mean, I'm not going to buy products from you just because you're a flat earther. If you make good products, I mean, I don't see why I wouldn't buy your product.
I think his mentality is the opposite. I think his mentality is if he says he's a flat earther, then people who believe in the globe won't buy his products. See, that's why he's not taking a side. He's just kind of hovering. He completely avoided the question in every way possible.
Yeah.
There's a word for that. I think it starts with a P.
Sitting on the fence. That's what I said in the chat. I said, fence sitter.
Grifter. I mean,
well, there's another word I was thinking. It starts with a P, ends with a Y.
Yeah, pussy.
Yeah, there you go. Take a side, dude. It ain't hard.
Well, listen. Everybody's money's green to him when you're selling something, so he doesn't care.
Even vagina has two sides. Come on.
Yeah, two sides, two lips.
Yeah, I mean, it's symmetrical, right? The whole idea.
Did you see the macrame or that Saab's wife made with the hoodie?
Yeah.
Oh man, that was beautiful. Yeah.
I was going to ask you, did you guys get your $5 million from that guy that was on Top Show the other day?
Yeah, that's going to happen. Did you say it was like in a blow pop ring or something, D-Man?
No, you get it from Hubba Bubba. You just get it from the government, so they just give it to you.
I told him I don't take third-party out-of-state endorsed checks.
Who would? No.
All right, I think that guy's a sham.
Yeah, I do too. Everybody is.
I do know that there's some kind of tax shelter you can use to pay debt, but I'm not sure if it works like getting a check. I don't think it works that way, but I could be wrong.
Otherwise, he wouldn't be on the internet trying to get people to pay money for some fucking thing. He wouldn't need
to go sign up for something, doesn't he? That was where the trick was right there.
Yeah, you know what it reminds me of? I am a Nigerian prince, and I have 6.7 million I need to get from my country.
Yeah. I want you to start a wrestling federation.
Yeah.
I know Bob has a midget wrestling federation. Have you seen it? He goes out and does it's nice. But they're not on the grift. They're just real midgets, just wrestling.
Yeah,
for money. Yeah,
not internet midgets.
No, it's all CGI.
Be like, yeah, of course I'm a midget. I'm in a wrestling thing. Yeah, invest now. Everybody's an internet pilot, an internet astronaut, an internet astronomer. Everybody.
All right, so let's hit it. You ready? We're going up and down. All right.
Does lightning go up or down? How about sideways?
Sideways.
Science and high-speed video cameras give us a clear answer to this question, and it's probably not what you'd expect. As a thunderstorm grows, multiple areas of electrical charge form, some positive, some negative. A lightning bolt is born inside of the cloud, in between two of these areas of opposing electrical charge. Lightning starts at a single point inside of the cloud, growing in two directions in narrow, branching paths called leaders. This bidirectional leader, one end negative.
When it gets to the top, if it goes high enough, then they call those, what do they call them?
Sprites.
Right.
Yeah, there you go. Sprite.
It does come from the top and the bottom at the same time, but you can't see it. The light from the lightning starts in the middle, but the connection actually happens from the ground to the sky.
Yeah, it's an electrical arc between the two.
It's grounding, just like that's why they call it the ground, right?
It's like if you hook the jumper cables up on the battery and you try to get those things as close as possible, and you just keep getting them closer and closer. At some point, they're not touching, but they'll lock. It's doing the same thing,
especially on a really good battery. Yeah,
yeah. Absolutely. Truck battery scared the shit out of me once.
Electrical pressure, I think is what they call it.
I had both the cables in one hand. I had the cable in my hand, and then I had the other side hanging out the bottom as I was grabbing something. And the fucking right side swung up, and that thing arced in my hand. Scared the shit out of me. What the fuck?
So when Wesley brought this up earlier on the show, I was like, dude, lightning just grounds itself. That's what it's doing. That was my first reply. That's what they're saying here, right?
Yeah, it's just a positive and the negative. Well, think about it. What would be the conductor between those 2 points?
Moisture.
It'd be the moisture, the clouds, the moisture. Right. So it's an arcing point. Now you've got a negative. The water can be positive or negative. It's a neutral, so it doesn't matter. But that arcing point would be condensation. What's things that could, let electricity travel? Condensation, water, metal.
You get so condensed, they're right next to each other. Yeah,
there are elements in the water that are very conductive.
Yep.
Yeah. No, let's get back to it. By the way, I did get a hold of Arby's financial department, but we're working on actually getting my money back.
Good. Yeah, because something went wrong, dude. Something went wrong.
Yeah.
That wasn't something, I would just contact them and say, hey, man.
Yeah. Well, I did talk to like 3 people that work there, and they said that this has happened before with this payroll company.
It's a problem with their service or their pay service or how it works. That's why I said call those people first. I mean, call the other ones and have them say no, and then just call the company and tell them, hey, this thing fucked up.
It may take me. I'm looking like maybe a month to get my money back, but still, at least I get it.
As long as I get it back.
Yeah. All right, guys. Back to negativity. You ready?
Let's do it.
The other positive lengthens and branches out as it taps into the charged regions of the storm. Here's video from a high-speed camera showing a bidirectional leader growing in a cloud. These in-cloud leaders can move in any direction, up, down, and sideways. Leaders can branch for dozens or even hundreds of miles across large thunderstorms.
So there's not a magnetic pull. It's going in all directions, right?
Well, it's going in any direction where, naturally those 2 points are going to, when you get them to a certain point where they're into something conductive, then think about it. They, just like a magnet would be a plus and a minus, would be the same with an electrical arc. So, you're going to get to a certain point where those forces are going to, a distance between the magnet where you actually feel it pulling against it. It's the same thing with electrical. It's the same thing with an electrical arc. It's gonna have a similar effect where it's gonna just go wherever it can conduct the best. Yes, least resistance.
Exactly. Something else about the sky right around that lightning.
Yep. What were you saying, Ryan?
Did you notice that there's something very interesting going on right next to the lightning? You notice how that the gases in the air illuminate around it?
Yeah.
See how you can see
that's the firmament, man.
That's moisture in the air is what it is, and it's what's causing the arc. That's the reason why it needs to be fusing together.
Sprites do prove the firmament, though. Sprites do.
Oh yeah. I agree.
Oh yeah.
But I'm saying this is just positive. Yeah.
We did a show on it like 2 months ago, didn't we? We were showing the arc to the but they were taking a Nat Geo video and they were doctoring it up to make it say to the firmament, not to the top of the stratosphere. It's funny as hell. That's flat water. He put out another video. It's really good. I want to do that probably next week. It's about some new findings about giants back in the 1600s up until like the 1700s in North America. He's actually found like a lineage of giants that he's trying to confirm whether they're the ancestors of the indigenous tribes of North America. It's pretty cool. But they use like actual bones and artifacts and stuff that they find here. They don't put this stuff in school either.
No.
Hey, this just in. I'm a shill.
No, are you?
Congratulations, JJ.
I just found out. I finally.
Who told you you're still?
Got it.
Oh shit!
Nice.
This is JJ Appreciation.
Apparently, I promoted Dave Weiss. So shill
promote
shill promote shill is what I was told. Quote unquote.
Ooh, yeah, I'm getting a whole bunch of messages on Discord right now. Maybe they found out I was a shill too.
Yeah, all right.
Conclusion: everybody is.
Yeah, everybody's trying to make money for themselves. Yeah, that's the fact.
Yeah. I'm making tons of money from YouTube. Are you kidding me?
Yeah,
I'm in Acapulco right now. I've just been telling you I'm in New Hampshire. You just don't know it yet.
I'm going more
Can you bring me another mojito? Thank you. All right, I'm back.
What did Weiss call it? The what was that drink he ordered when he was on Beacus?
Yeah, mimosa
on the beach.
You had to be there, I guess. It was fun.
I gotta be there. Let's go to Mexico. I got a yacht. You want to go for a sail?
Sure. So meet up. We'll meet up at Cookies. We'll go sit under his shed.
Cookie's got a boat, but it ain't no yacht.
We'll go ice fishing with Cookie Monster.
He got a fishing boat, man. That's all he's got.
I got to play
the Moscow Mule. Yeah, Sarah got it. The Moscow Mule. Bingo.
Oh yeah, that's a delicious drink out here.
On the rocks.
You guys have the balls to show up at my house, though. Nobody does. I'm only one person show up there. Only one.
You should drink a Colorado Bulldog. They're actually delicious. You ever had one of those?
No. When I was drinking,
Russian, but they double the alcohol in it for the most part. Double the cream.
You put a nipple on it?
No nipple.
When I drank, I would just drink. If I drank at a bar and I could drink whatever I wanted, I would just drink like Bailey's and vodka and whatever, and just mix it. Like
that's pretty much your White Russian, dude. Kahlua, yeah.
Chug it.
Chug. You want some nipple on that, please?
I want a pina colada with a nipple.
Yeah. You want to get caught in the rain? It might hit you lightning.
Complexes.
Damn right.
Lightning strikes the ground when one end of this bidirectional leader, usually the negative end, heads towards the Earth. Here's what that looks like on a high-speed camera at 1500 frames per second. So lightning striking the ground moves downward, right? Yes, but that's only part of the story. When the descending leaders get close to the ground, one or more upward leaders form on grounded objects and grow toward the descending leader.
I just thought of
one of these upward leaders.
Follow the leader.
Yep.
Cult of personality, baby.
Because there's a back pressure of electricity.
Don't forget, you got a shield for the man.
Yeah, instead of shield wall, it's shield wall. You know what I'm saying?
Shield wall.
Yeah, the shield wall.
Shield wall.
Get behind that shield wall.
All the shields get together so you can't get to the leader shield. You know what I'm saying?
I'm just telling you, it's getting a little chilly in here for me. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
I got to turn the heat up. Yeah. That was corny. I hate to say that. Let's see where the leader goes.
Connects with a branch of the downward leader. The electrical connection from ground to cloud is complete. This is when a massive, sudden, white-hot surge of current, called a return stroke, races back up to the cloud through the channel.
Oh,
yeah. Most of this process happens way too fast for the human eye to discern. Yeah, what we and most of our normal video cameras can see is just the bright return stroke phase of lightning. But modern high-speed video cameras can show the progression of lightning leaders in vivid detail. These cloud-to-ground bolts were filmed at 6,000 frames per second. You can see the negative leaders descending to the ground, then the bright return stroke when the connection is made. In this shot, you can see the return stroke current pulse racing upward through the channel. This still photo shows some of the unconnected upward leaders near the final strike point. This strike to the Gateway Arch in St. Louis, filmed at 1500 frames per second, shows the downward moving leaders and the upward moving leader just before they connect for the final strike. So when it comes to lightning, there are a lot of ups and downs, but that's not all. Lightning can also start at the tops of tall objects and move upward into a storm cloud. This is called ground to cloud or upward lightning. It's commonly seen from tall towers, skyscrapers, mountain peaks, and even wind turbines. Upward lightning begins as a leader starting at the tip of a tall object, growing skyward. Most upward lightning to tall objects consist of positive leaders. Finally, this video from Chicago shows it all. Upward lightning starting from 3 of the skyscrapers at the same time.
There you go.
Then a downward strike hitting Lake Michigan behind the city.
I see lightning 300 miles
across the sky. Upward, downward, and sideways lightning, all happening in less than 1 second. This has been Dan Robinson for StormHighway.com. Stay tuned to this channel for more lightning science videos, clips from high-speed cameras, and more.
I guess he's a Christian man.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking.
Hey, Gumnut Man says, I've always wanted to get struck by lightning. He said, hopefully it'll turn me into a superhero. Siggy Man, punching dummies one after another. Punching Duries. I don't know what Duries is. It's gotta be an Aussie thing.
Funny,
Siggy Man. Punch him.
A new superhero is born today. We will start the comic strip tomorrow.
I don't. Is it DH? No, because Duri is an Indian and Pakistan hand-woven rug.
Hey, I got a good song to play out with, though. It's called Lightning Crashes. So.
Oh, okay. Duri. Lightweight, revisible, and valuable to the road. Popular modern Though in Australian slang, a durry can also mean a cigarette.
Yeah, Siggy Man.
So Siggy Man's punching cigarettes.
Is Gum Nut Man Aussie?
Probably, yeah. It's an Aussie slang.
Yeah, that figures. Hang out with Juno and Jimmy.
I love my Aussie buddies. They're all out there.
They don't give a fuck.
I like them. I like Aussies. They don't give a shit.
Yeah. Oh, you want to see a sci-fi short film called Dusk? No, sorry. By the way, Eric put out a new video.
Dubé?
Yeah, Mr. Dubé, 9 hours ago. Yeah, it's 8 minutes long. We should take a look at it. What do you think?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, why not? Dubé's all right in my book to a point. I just don't agree with his philosophy, but
no, it's okay. I mean,
at the end of the day, man, you can't trust nobody. We'll question everything. And
yeah, JJ, what are you up to?
Use your damn discernment, and you can learn a lot from a shill. Like I said, you could send somebody to Dave Weiss right now, and they're going to learn a lot, bro. Okay, but I don't trust the damn dude. Okay, no. That doesn't mean he's not going to, have good information.
Oh yeah, what are you up to, JJ? We all know you're up to something. What are you doing, JJ?
Don't worry about it, man. Don't worry about it.
Really, JJ? Really?
Hey, where's your proof?
He's gonna go there.
Where's your proof?
Where's your proof? You're wrong. Yeah. You don't know what you have
no evidence that I'm a shit.
That's it. No, JJ Appreciation Week's over.
Yeah, we're canceling it as of now.
It. It's now officially Cookie Monster Appreciation Week.
Oh boy!
I've already did a Ryan week on a couple of these. I bring his videos over those Ryan streams. Yeah, you should see some of his observations. These guys got some pretty cool ones. leave JJ alone.
Hey,
what are you laughing
gonna
for?
break in a minute.
Did you get your whole week, D-Man, or was that like business days or something?
I think I got
7 days.
Yeah, it was.
Or was it 5 days?
Okay, the thing was they told you it was Appreciation Week. I just showed up and I didn't even know it.
Yeah, I know, man. I went to shit in writing, Raj.
Okay, I'll sign a contract.
You get a percentage.
We need Flat Earth Nation in here. Talk about contracts.
Yeah,
where's our contracts? Get.
It's all about contracts, boys.
Where's the tickets, Roger?
Oh, they just changed my schedule at work. Oh my god! Let's see what I got to do.
By lightning.
Hey, Roger, you have an all-seeing eye and a darkened eye on screen
and blood.
Do I? This has to do with Eric Dubé. That's not me.
That baloney?
I know.
Bologna?
That's why I say don't trust no one. Like you see it everywhere, bro. Once you have eyes to see, you can't unsee it, dude. And I'm like a hawk, dude. A damn hawk.
33 watching. Peter says.
He put out next week's schedule.
See? What are you up to, JJ?
Yeah,
he's got
the voodoo out, man.
Cat's out of the bag. I'm up to all of it.
He studied Hermeticism, you know it.
Put your juju away.
I'm up to it.
He's been to Gryffindor. That's where he went, right?
What's this show about baloney?
I don't know. This is Eric Dubé's video, so I'm going to play it.
Yeah, see the symbolism, though? Like, this is Eric Dubé. I hate to say that, but, I'm a straight shooter, dude. Okay?
Yeah.
Now, why the hell do you have that kind of symbolism? I don't get it. Unless you're,
Looks like goo.
Maybe it's a graphic.
Well,
maybe
if you think about it, it's a darkened eye because one eye is dark. Not only can you only see one eye, but the other one is darkened. So that's problematic in my, from my first perspective.
I guess.
Call me crazy. Call me crazy.
Yorgos Lanthimos. Is it Greek?
I don't know.
Hey, Yorgos Lanthimos. I'll take a gyro.
I want a lamb gyro. I don't want the chicken.
Right. I want the lamb one. I want to go all the way.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. It's Sunday night, right, guys? So Eddie's on, right? So you can go if you want to go talk this thing. Go over to Eddie's. Or it's too late for Eddie, and he's already done.
Yeah.
I used to go by there once in a while, have a good conversation with some people in the chat, and then it's turned into like stab everybody in the face week.
Yeah, it rolls around quite a bit.
Yeah. Somehow I got hidden from there, and I messaged him via email, and he got me unhidden finally. But it happened to me on that channel and Bro Sanchez's, which is strange. Eddie's is weird too because he says he's only got like 2 or 3 moderators, and there wouldn't really be a reason that anybody would hide me from their channel. But
I don't know why they wouldn't either.
Some people don't like this shill. You know what I'm saying?
Well, the word's getting out on you now, JJ. You know?
That's what the word's out.
Word's on the street.
No hiding it. No more hiding it, man.
Just come clean with us. That's all you got to do. You got to provide us with your business records too, all your income, whole thing, whole 9 yards.
JJ, join the neutral side. Join the flat domers.
There you go.
You'll be number 2.
Number 2. Yeah, in more ways than one.
All right, let's see. Let's roll the tapes.
How do you get it back on here anyway?
All right, here goes Eric Dubay.
2025 film Begonia, directed by Yorgos Lanthimos, starring Emma Stone and Jesse Plemons, has included flat Earth cosmology in a very interesting and subversive way. The subject is actually never discussed or even alluded to until the last few minutes of the movie, but becomes central to the big twist and climax of the plotline. When the final reveal happens and the audience learns the truth, flat Earth is front and center of that revelation in an ingenious way. Reading and listening to interviews, I haven't been able to find if Yorgos Lanthimos is a flat earther himself, sympathetic to the idea, or simply included it tongue-in-cheek.
JJ, I think I know what he is. He's a shill too.
We got this shit. We got it nailed down, dude. We got this figured out.
Can't trust him. I can't trust. That's it from now on. The pizza man, sewer guy, the guy that comes and empties my tank, are all shills.
We need proof. We want credentials.
Yep. I want to see your ticket too.
We got to do proper vetting with the reach around, the whole 9 yards. Spread the butt.
Sorry. Before you empty my septic tank, you got to turn around.
Hey, I'm anti.
You're gonna have to do a check on property.
We'll be an anti-septic tank.
Antiseptic.
Oh hell! It just reminded me we got a place called Oscars over here. It's a Greek gyro place down the street. I've never eaten there in my entire life, and you look at it like, why is it still in business? There's nobody ever there neither. Like, holy crap! But it's still got an open sign on the door.
Oh, gyros are so good.
They are. But you get the good ones. It's hard. They're hard to find good ones.
Yeah.
Oh, here there used to be a place right down the street. Pretty good.
Yeah, I want to swing by Oscars one day and just try one to see.
It's got to be the real lamb stuff. That's the real deal.
Yep.
I like that flat Earth there, where it's inside of itself. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's hidden inside the flat Earth.
Yeah.
Sarah G said everyone is on notice.
That's right.
Yeah,
that's right.
Oh God. Hey, Carrie, how you doing?
You come up to the plate with 2 strikes already. That's it. We're not
You're
fucking around. 1 strike, you're out of here.
But is it sea lightning or is it lightning?
Oh, dude, I was talking to my boss tonight. Just want to say this. He's like, we're talking about the financial thing. Get all, and I said, if I might need a lawyer, he's like, I have a lawyer. He's a good Jewish lawyer. He's like, you never done anything until you tried the Jewish juice. That's what he said. I'm like, whoa. I'm not going to tell you his name or where he lives. I'm not going to dox anybody on this show.
No.
You're one of those nice shills, aren't you, Roger?
Oh, absolutely, yes.
One of those honest thieves.
Yeah, the honest thief is the best thief. Because when he gets caught, he'll confess to all of it.
Is it going to rub off on me? Am I going to get tainted?
That's
tainted.
It. By association.
Yeah.
Guilty by association.
I was on the flight. I must be contaminated.
And now I'm going to have to rate this as an adult show because he said taint. All right.
So we're gonna have to question him like Joe Friday. Where were you on the 14th? It's Cookie. See him.
Shill association's a thing, man. It matters.
It does. Hey, we should start a shield league, and we could have like our own union.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Good idea.
We need protection being shills and all. We need equal rights too. We need
we'll have like a shill of fame, you know.
There you go.
Like if you really do good, you can make it to the shill of fame.
What do you get when you get in the Shield of Fame? You get your own star on the Shield of Fame.
You get to fake your death, dude, and go be with Charlie in Valhalla.
There you go. Yeah, you get to hide out with. Yeah.
Guy's name
and you get to be like Trump and get to pose like front, like American flag and all. After you get shot, you get to.
I'll have to join. I'll have to join.
Fight.
I'll have to join the Globe side.
Oh, you will
infiltrate.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta get in there. And when they discover you're a flat earther, what are you gonna talk? Is that what's gonna happen? They're gonna bleed you?
I know everything.
You know how hard it is to pretend that you're not a flat earther? It's not easy, trust me. It's harder than not saying something that's globe, right? Like how you say global or you say whatever, you end up saying words.
I'll have to go to some flat earth therapy sessions. I'll have to.
Yeah.
All they keep talking about is the flat earth.
That's what
Ken Rothman's in, dude.
Refraction.
Poor Craig.
He's got a mental breakdown going on, doesn't he? Always.
I think he has one coming if flat earthers don't stop bugging him.
Your other Aussie friends in there, D-Man. Ken's in.
Yep. Speaking of shills, Ken's here.
Another shill.
Sketches is too. We're keeping an eye on everybody here.
Sketches is in there. Hey, Sketches.
You leave my Uncle Ken alone.
I will. He's bringing the beer over later, isn't he?
What's up, Ken? Good to see you, brother.
Hey, Ken, are you doing a live tonight?
He'll be on.
I think it should be.
Low recovery. That's right.
Let's get back to the Shill Fest. Ready?
But I found the way it was utilized in the film to be a great example of how this topic can be effectively introduced and included in modern artwork. If you haven't seen Begonia yet and plan to watch it at some point, I recommend pausing the video here, as I will be discussing the plot, including major spoilers for the film. The movie opens with protagonists Teddy and his autistic cousin Don tending to their hives of bees, doing their morning yoga routine, and plotting to abduct a pharmaceutical company CEO whom they believe to be an alien, specifically a member of the malevolent species known as Andromedans. Teddy and Don are convinced that these Andromedans are killing off the world's honeybees, poisoning communities, and enslaving humanity. Throughout the film, Teddy and Don are shown to be lower class, unkempt, social misfits with a checkered past, manic, confused, and heads full of conspiracy theories. They are not presented as reliable narrators, and every claim they make sounds questionable at best. In contrast, we're shown the antagonist,
that's a looker
Michelle
right
Fuller, CEO of Oxalith Pharmaceutical Corporation, doing yoga.
What did I miss?
Looks so
the contract. Flat Earth Nation's in the house.
Oh, hey,
every person we've talked about has showed up. So, just keep that in mind.
It's conspiracy.
I know.
Manifestation.
You too, JJ. You showed up. Conspiracy. That's it. You're all guilty. We
all appreciate it.
Well, even though I sent Ryan a link, he showed up. It's a conspiracy.
That's it.
This shit's scripted.
Confess now.
I showed up fashionably.
Scripted.
I showed up fashionably.
Were you? Did you dress for the occasion?
Yeah, see?
Look at Prince here. He's got his on.
Same tent that I was yesterday.
Yep, it was in his ice fishing hut.
My wife keeps kicking me out of the house. I'm stuck out here.
He's in the doghouse, literally.
He was out there trying to catch a sturgeon. Leave him alone.
Trying to stay, look. See that stuff that's floating in the sky right there? The light. See the little flakes of water, moisture? It's not rain.
More Aussies in the house. More Aussies. You got more of them.
That's what I think.
Yeah. Wait. Yeah. Are you going to go sturgeon fishing or not, man? Do you have a 100-pound test?
Sturgeon fishing. It's got to do it with his kid's fishing pole. I got the
Mickey Mouse retractable fishing pole.
Yeah, I got the Scooby-Doo fishing pole. I'll catch that 100-pound sturgeon. Don't you worry.
On 20-pound test, that's what he's going to catch it on. Yeah, there you
go. Thing.
He's probably a blue collar tweaker too.
Tweaker show.
What's a blue collar tweaker? What's that?
To the moon.
a working tweaker, man. Blue collar tweaker.
Yeah. There's actually a song that Promise did. It's called Blue Collar Tweaker. Yeah, it's a profession.
Oh, okay. I get it.
I'm making Promise references. They actually have a called John the Fisherman, and they have a song called Fish On, and they actually talk about catching a 100-pound sturgeon with 50-pound test.
Reminded me of Primus, John the Fisherman.
That's exactly what I'm talking about, man.
Oh, gotcha. Well, I was high when that happened, Raj.
You were? Damn it.
Yeah.
Sober up, boy. Get your shit together.
My bad.
All right. This is your appreciation week. Oh, wait, we retracted that.
That's a warning.
Cookie. There's a warning.
Congratulations. That's a cookie appreciation.
No, you start with 2 strikes. There is no warnings.
No warnings. Yeah. You're automatically out. That's it.
You're out of here.
Now, I want to go watch this movie now just for what they're. I wonder if it's on pay-per-view or something. I don't know.
Do I got to go sit with Wes now?
No, you do. No. I won't make anybody do that.
All right. We're good.
I'll tell you a story later when we're backstage when we leave. It's funny.
Right. This is what you guys think is a tent. It's not a tent. It's just a piece of plastic hanging from the fence. So
that sounds like an excuse, dude. You're making excuses for your tent.
House over here. See the house over there. See it?
Is there a house? We'll put you on screen so we can show your house. Here.
See my house. See, there's a house over there.
There's a house. Look at that. It looks like a mobile home to me. But yeah, that's a house.
That's CGI, bro.
Yeah, I know.
CGI.
Cartoons, man.
Hey, was that a propane container over there?
Yes, man. I don't stay cold either.
He's got heat.
Heat that up.
Yeah. See how the shills live, man? We live high on the hog. Tarps, propane. We're rocking it.
Propane and propane accessories.
Yeah, we sell them, yes. Oh, God. Great show, though. I love King of the Hill. Too bad I can't play that stuff without getting copyrighted. Mike Judd would probably take no mercy on my copyright privileges.
No, probably not.
Yeah, no. He did produce Idiocracy, though, didn't he?
Like, yeah, totally. Idiocracy, yeah, like, totally.
All right. I'll try to do my best.
Oh, like.
I just do it for my girls. Do the Great Cornholio. I am the Great Cornholio. I need TV for me, bowl.
Yeah, like TV for the bunghole.
All right, enough. Let's play this thing.
Her modern, upper-class mansion, having a morning facial, a private self-defense lesson, and confidently strutting into her corner office. Michelle is cool, calm, and collected, a rehearsed corporate kind of friendly, but seemingly much more relatable and level-headed than our
protagonist. There's another oxymoron, a corporate kind of friendly. Just let that sit for a minute.
Controlled pandemonium.
Oh, yeah. It was scheduled friendliness.
See, look, I'm inside the house. Can you believe it?
This video is boring me. But let's get through it. Eric, you can do better.
Ultimately, Teddy and Don succeed in kidnapping Michelle as planned and imprison her in their basement.
Dum, dum, dum.
Believing her hair to be telepathic antennas facilitating communication with her alien mother.
Really? They got a plot with this thing? What do you think? Alien? Huh? No, I'm not really paying attention.
Ooh, she's a looker.
I know.
She's a lady. Whoa, she's a lady. My bad.
She's practicing to be a mannequin. That's what it is. Oh, sing it, JJ. Sing it.
Damn
Look,
right.
they have her tied up with what? Aircraft cable here to a pair of handcuffs. High budget film, dude. They went to the Ace Hardware. But it's realistic,
Mothership. Teddy and Don shave Michelle completely bald, then cover her from head to toe with an antihistamine cream, which they insist will prevent her from sending out a distress signal to other Andromedans. Teddy then explains that she has 4 days to negotiate a meeting with her Emperor before an upcoming lunar eclipse, which will allow the Andromedan mothership to enter Earth's atmosphere undetected. Since Michelle refuses to admit that she's an alien,
it's one of those films. Look at that. How about it?
I'm scared. Yeah. That's scary, man.
It is. I was thinking Britney Spears when the shaved head, but
Sinead O'Connor.
Connor, yeah. I'd rather see Britney with a shaved head. Anyways, where's he going with this? To be honest with you, Eric, the point is that they mention a flat Earth or they show a flat Earth model in it. That's the whole point of this movie.
Chills. I don't know.
I think D got bored already. He took off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, me?
Oh,
yeah, you enjoying the film? I mean, I did step out to use the bathroom for a second. I missed some of it, but what do you think of this?
This doesn't look like a really nice film.
No.
It's not. It looks like a really good.
It's not the feel good song. It's not the feel good film of the winter.
No, yeah, it's not going to get an award or anything. It's not going to get the Golden Leaf award.
Looks kind of
not as wonderful.
Yeah, kind of chilly.
Yeah. I don't know.
It could be. I think that somebody's weak attempt at horror, I think, maybe, or what do you call those dramas when they have a drama and a horror drama, whatever it is, a thriller. That's what I mean. That's the ticket, thriller.
Confirm any of Teddy's wild assertions. He proceeds to tie her up.
Michael Jackson.
Oh yeah, there's a thriller. Yeah.
Yeah.
Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, I'm winding down. I spent, I think, 8 hours, but it wasn't too bad. But standing on your feet, throwing sandwiches around.
Yeah, it beats.
It'll wear on you.
Mm-hmm. You got to constantly fight off the 4 girls in the back.
Oh yeah, no, they're not there tonight. We only had 2 girls in the back tonight. 4 girls the next week. Yeah.
When you taking off?
When am I taking off?
Yeah. Thought you were leaving. No. I mean, when you're leaving? How long are you going to go?
30 minutes? Oh. 40 minutes? What do you got?
Oh, no. How long have we been going now? It's an hour.
1:41.
Let's see. It's I can stay on another half hour. It'll be good.
Word up.
I don't have to work till late tomorrow, but I'm working the late shift. I'm working all night, so. And we stay open till midnight, so I'll be there till like 1:30 or so.
All right, let's see what the hell's going on here because it's hard to.
Yeah, I'm not getting the plot. I'm missing it.
To an electroshock machine and torture her until she confesses.
Confesses to what?
Instead of confessing, however, she withstands the highest output the machine can produce, which causes Teddy to completely change his mind and behavior. He quickly releases Michelle from her restraints and apologizes, saying that her incredibly high pain tolerance is
even
evident.
Bought her a dress too. Look at that, and painted her nails too. And they're having breakfast. It looks like Bologna. Is that what it's called? Yeah, it is.
What is this?
She's actually part of the android.
Say again, D-Man?
Oh, okay. She's like an alien or something.
They think she's an alien. They shaved her head so she couldn't communicate with the outside aliens out there, and they rubbed this antihistamine cream so she couldn't broadcast from her skin or something.
So now he's dating her?
Yeah, now he's got her untied, and they're having dinner. Yeah.
Wonderful.
And dressed her up, too. Got a gold chain. Is there earrings in there? Yeah, it looks like
wow, chicken, wow, wow.
It's straight from shave your head to porn. Yeah.
Prominent royal family. At this point, a confused Michelle is invited upstairs for dinner, and now treated as a special guest, where she strategically admits to being an alien and answers his strange questions until she can escape. I won't go into detail about the remainder of the plot, except to say that the film does everything it can to continue setting up Teddy as being an unhinged, schizophrenic conspiracy theorist with wild ideas about this one woman, and this one woman doing everything she can to survive her deluded kidnapping.
JJ, they're talking about you. You know that, right?
Who is?
An unhinged conspiracy theorist.
Oh, yeah. Nothing new.
I know. From shill to unhinged conspiracy theorist in 30 seconds. The how-to guide to get thrown out of society. There you go.
Pepper's bipolar mood swings. When Michelle eventually survives and escapes from Teddy, in the last 5 minutes of the film, we, the audience, finally see Michelle aboard her mothership, confirming the fact that she was really an alien the whole time, and Teddy's seemingly wild delusions were totally correct.
Oh, yeah. It's like
then she stands before a holographic model of a flat Earth with a gaseous dome firmament covering it. Ooh. She takes a pointed instrument in her hand and pokes the flat Earth dome until it pops, then walks away.
Well, D-Man, you're out now. You're no longer a flat domer.
No.
It's been popped. Yeah.
Flat dome forever.
Hey, wasn't this what Duffy was talking about? Like the dome had been destroyed? The firmament's the Earth. Yeah, the crust of the Earth. Oh, I got a new name, Duffy Krusty, or Krusty Duffy. It's like a clown. That was a bad shot at humor.
Yeah. Denied.
Oh, no. Hey, kids.
Yeah. Oh, the moral of this story is conspiracy theorists or aliens.
Yep. Aliens.
We got to figure it out.
And don't forget the dry ice.
Yeah, you're a bunch of freaking alien chills.
I dress up like that every day when I go to work.
Even worse, alien chill. Nice.
I could just stop life could make one of those things.
Super insulated. My system weaved it out of old T-shirts.
She made it out of some merkin. I'm just going to say that. I had to. You know what a merkin is, don't you? Boys?
Yeah, it's an anti-assault device. It's a giant.
Oh
cactus.
yeah, absolutely.
I wear a giant cactus. No one can grab me.
So where's all the waters above when she popped this dome?
Well, that happened when the flood happened. This is an allegorical point.
I don't see no water.
Yeah, it's a
mockumentary.
Yeah, it's imaginary shit.
And in the background is paper mache. You can tell. Look at it.
NASA approved. Brought to you by Acme.
Slingshotting from the Earth since 1969. It was a summer of 69. Yeah. 3 astronauts got together.
Man, no money was spared in making outfits. That's for sure.
Oh no, absolutely not.
I got a great idea. Take a giant sock and put it over you. Stretch it out.
Hollywood quality.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the alien aspect. Is this the alien aspect to this?
Is she pregnant with the
she's
schizophrenic guy?
She's about to probably the horizon.
Yeah. She's gonna have his baby.
Oh yeah, she's with child. That's for sure.
You can tell by that lump.
That
looks like a bad old sweater, right? Doesn't it?
It does. It's like a turtleneck, like a giant knit turtleneck.
Is that really her head, or is that a hat? That's what I want to know. It's alien. It could be. And what's the knife made out of? No idea.
It's riveting.
It is. I know. I'm on the edge of my seat. I definitely got to rent this just to see the flat Earth pizza pie in the sky.
Join us next week.
I know. You can see the water's running over the edge over here. See this? The little trail down there? I know. So authentic. Yeah. The Flat Earth Society, we're proud of it.
You can see all the cats pushing everything off the edge.
Oh, yeah. I heard that would happen if the Earth was flat. All the cats would put
Yeah.
I don't get that. That had to do with some kind of physics joke, I think. And I don't know what it really means. I got to.
Oh, boy.
I got better ask ChatGPT. He'll tell me.
Yeah.
ChatGPT.
So what's next with over?
What is next, Roger?
I'm done with this, actually. They're on a yacht over here. Look.
What's happening?
Oh, whoa. Look at the action.
All the crew.
There you go. Let's see what the aliens did to the crew on the yacht.
They're all dead.
Hold your horses, man.
We moved the dome's gone.
Yeah, we all can't breathe.
That's it. Just sucked all the air off.
This is like witchy poo. This is magic, dude. She's really in another realm, and she just killed everybody on Earth by cracking the dome. Yep. I got it now. Yeah.
This is biblical.
I know. They're proportionally biblical, yes.
And pokes the flat Earth dome until it pops, then walks away. Upon taking this action, we then see that on Earth, everyone has instantly dropped dead. Several shots show deceased sailors affront a flat horizon.
I know, nothing should be there.
One particularly interesting shot shows a room full of school children sitting dead in their school desks with a prominent model globe Earth hanging from the ceiling. Another shot shows a businessman sitting in his final resting place affront a massive globe sculpture. Begonia was actually based on a 2003 Korean film called Save the Green Planet, and one of the noticeable changes from that original version is this inclusion of the flat Earth. In Save the Green Planet, when the Andromedan returns to the mothership and destroys the Earth is depicted as a globe and explodes similar to the Death Star in Star Wars.
Oh!
In Begonia,
now we got
it. Earth, insects and animals all survive.
Absolutely.
But by puncturing a hole in the gaseous firmament, only the humans perish. Exactly what this means is open to speculation, but it goes to show how important this truth could potentially be. People love to scoff at flat earthers, asking, what does it matter whether the Earth is flat or a globe anyways? The answer is that it's not so much about the shape as it is about the scale of the lie.
Y'all got it coming.
If humanity is deluded by a lie of this magnitude, there are innumerable, varied, and dire consequences
now, D-Man,
for believing...
Wait, is this from the memes war of 2012?
Yeah, man. I seen some things.
What'd you see?
I can't talk about it. I'm still PTSD. That's too much trauma. I can't do it. I seen some things, man.
It was a bloodbath, wasn't it?
Oh, horrible. You have no clue. I still have nightmares. Oh, God, Jesus. There we go. I'm back.
All right, D-Man, cool. You're back with us. He got his second win, people. He's ready to go.
I'm okay. I'm all right. Just don't talk. I can't speak anymore about. Oh, God.
Oh, shit.
He's like Grandpa Simpson, like he gets those like. I'm not the Lindenberg baby. Remember they woke him up one day?
Yeah.
Oh man, that's quite a story. I should do a show on the Lindenberg baby.
It's terrible. I think about it every day.
So you were involved with that, D-Man? Really?
I sure was. It was terrible times.
You helped build the ladder?
Food shortages and bro fights in the street everywhere, and the power was blipping on and off. It's horrible.
There was rioting in the streets, looting in the stores. Yeah. Hard times, buddy.
Yeah, I'll tell you. You kids have no clue.
Yeah, I know. We don't. I can just tell, D-Man, you are tired, though, aren't you?
Well, me? Yeah, a little bit.
You back doing better?
Huh?
You're back doing better?
It's kind of the same as it was yesterday, so it's not getting worse. Yeah. It does this every time it changes the weather. It does it. So.
Yeah, one of the first winter that my back started acting up, I took like 3 packs of Dones like within a 3-hour stretch.
I'm fine.
Yeah, I'm gonna get back out there and do it.
My back's fine until I move. Yeah. Real men will say they're fine no matter what. They could be having a heart attack. Oh, I'm good. I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good. Don't worry about it.
Can't move my left arm, but that's all right. Help me up.
Yeah, that's right.
The bone's poking out the side, but I'll walk it off.
Right. Put some tussin on it.
That'll
Robitussin.
Oh, nothing like that Strobin days. All right, here we go.
Some duct tape.
Duct tape and super glue.
Makita. MacGyver.
So I think he got through the movie so far. Did he finish it off yet?
Such a false cosmology. Especially when there's a group of people actively working to indoctrinate the world with this lie. By adding this flat earth element to the end of Begonia, it takes the viewer through a...
Is that who I think it is there?
You feel lucky, punk?
No, this guy right here.
It's Quentin Tarantino.
Yeah, that's Tarantino. Yeah, that's what I was going to say. It looks like him, doesn't it? Yeah. Is that a movie or something or a set? No, I think it's probably his home. He's an interesting director, isn't he?
Disgusting pig.
Yep.
I can't stand that guy, dude.
Well, he did make some good hits though, like back in the 90s.
You can tell it's his movies because he always overdoes it. Like I don't know, it's too much. I never was into the action, like just overboard where it looks unrealistic. I'll ruin a movie by calling it out. Like, shit, look at this shit, man. Give me a break.
Don't go to the movies with JJ.
Don't go to the movies with me, guys. It's over.
2 seconds.
I'll be pointing out the symbolism right.
JJ, the movie hasn't even started yet. These are just the opening credits.
You see the one-eye symbolism, though? You seen that? You seen that, right? The 33. You see the 33?
Yep, that's over. Mason confirmed. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
JJ, they're just Roman numerals. Don't worry about it.
I can't help it, guys.
Yeah, The Dust to Dawn was the best one, I think, out of all his movies. If I had to pick one, if I wanted to watch a Quentin
I personally think they're a bunch of damn pedos, dude.
Kill Bill.
I don't take it
like like Kill Bill better.
Sick bastards.
I know they are, and I wouldn't let them babysit my kids to save my ass.
Disgusting. It's a strange world, man.
Well, there's a lot of people in the world I wouldn't let watch my grandkids or my kids. No,
it's crazy when you start realizing they're all the opposite sex, dude. It gets really crazy. That rabbit hole's deep, man. It's deep.
Who was the girl who played in? I'm trying to think of this actress' name. She played in the Surf series back in the 60s, and the star of it was Moondoggie. I think it was a TV show. Who was this? There was a girl. Was it Sally Fields that played? Is Sally Fields the guy?
That dude.
That dude. I was asking JJ. He's the expert.
I'm not sure. I'm no expert, man. I'm no expert. I'm just trying to figure this shit out, dude. Questioning everything. And I know anatomy doesn't lie. It's objective. And we got problems. Houston, we got problems.
Houston?
Yeah.
Houston. Yeah. I should get a picture of Sally Fields, and we'll examine it right quick.
2-hour experience of confirmation bias, only to end in the same kind of complete cognitive dissonance experienced by people who do their due diligence in researching flat Earth and finally realize that it's absolutely true. You become like Teddy in a world that sees everything Teddy knows to be true as crazy and delusional. In that instant you see Michelle aboard her mothership. You receive the emotional impact of believing a lie for the past 2 hours and demonizing the protagonist in your mind, because to you, he seemed insane and deluded. Now, of course, this movie isn't going to convince anyone logically of Flat Earth's veracity, but it does do a few interesting and advantageous things intellectually and emotionally. Firstly, just having the Flat Earth model feature so prominently in a big Hollywood movie helps bring the subject to the forefront of consciousness. More importantly, though, by having Flat Earth be this big reveal as part of the movie's twist, where the viewer realizes their assumptions about the film characters have been wrong the entire time, we are shown that we were also wrong about our assumed cosmology the entire time. We are given the experience of confident confirmation bias, ending in complete cognitive dissonance, the very thing that happens within every flat earther as they awaken. Due to our indoctrinations, the very idea of flat Earth sounds ridiculous and impossible, just like Teddy and Don's theories about Michelle being an undercover Andromedan alien. Most viewers will barely even consider the possibility that Michelle is an alien, just like most people who hear about flat Earth don't actually consider it a viable possibility and dismiss it without any thought or research. By giving people this awakening experience, even through the lens of an entertaining fictional movie, Begonia successfully delivers the same kind of emotional impact and intellectual reappraisal of our assumptions about reality that every flat earther experiences.
Well, now I can associate with all of that. How about you, JJ? D-Man?
No, that was well said, man. I do like Eric. He does articulate
I can associate with associating.
Yeah. I'm checking to see my condition is in.
Yeah, I know you were going there. I just thought
telegraph that one.
Yeah. You just you fell into a deep dark hole and then you followed it in. You saw yourself going out as you were falling in. That was
did you shove your soul in a deep black hole?
Yeah, and then follow it in. That's the song.
Yeah. I've heard it.
I know Kenny. I know Kenny, man. I know Trippy Kenny.
Yeah, my dad was like, I was younger. He was listening to. I think he had that album. He was playing. He had the actual album.
New Edition.
You see, here's a good example of Tarantino's bullshit. Like he said, Gum the Man says that the Django was a good movie or whatever, which I agree. Like that's a kick-ass movie, right? Until the end when the chick gets shot with the shotgun and she like flies back through the doorway like 30 feet, and that's the shit that like, oh come on, like I've just seen things get shot before and it don't look like that. It's just problematic. It don't have to be so overboard, is all I'm saying.
Yeah, they do. Well, the sensationalism is what they're selling you on, aren't it?
Oh yeah, well, and they take it too far. He specifically takes it too far. That's all. That's my opinion.
Yeah. Well, Reservoir Dogs wasn't a high budget film though. They didn't have that kind of like.
Yeah, but that was a good movie though. Like I did like the Django. That was kick ass movie.
The only thing about Reservoir Dogs that stood out to me was the actual soundtrack would take off where it left off. Like, when they did the cop scene where he's pouring gas on him, cutting his ear off, and he goes out, and the radio comes on at the same place. It's not a record; it's the radio station. The DJ stopped for him at the radio booth. Like, wait a minute, there's a murder going on. We got to stop, and we got to pick it up in like 2 minutes because he's going to enter the room again. No, that was pointed out to me like a mistake before I even watched the movie. So when you watch it, okay,
just remember.
Dismembered is more like it,
right? Yeah, little gruesome. Loves the gruesome.
Yeah, JJ, you did some more streams recently. How many more did you do?
I only did like one today, and I'm getting. That's why I got my title of shill, because I promoted David Weiss because I put that video out showing Duffy's history or whatever his allegations. He has allegations and all that shit of the money he owes or whatever.
Well, he's already settled with some of them. I mean, if you weren't guilty of actually laundering this money from people or losing their money, you wouldn't pay it back, would you?
No, I think one of the big takes that we look at on that video is like how he didn't the whole time pre-TFE and post. It's like he never cared about, and that's all he cared about was TFE. It's like you think you'd be a little bit more worried about your personal home life, but no, there's agenda. It's just showing. It's just evidence of.
Yeah, it's almost like he's driven to do it or made to do it. One of the two, almost.
But like I say over and over, man, it don't matter. All these shills are going to be, in order for them to get you to trust them, is to tell you a bunch of fucking truth, right?
In between,
that's how they build your trust, and then they'll steer you down the wrong road later after you trust them for 10 years, But that's the plan, that's how it works. But
well, I thought I knew you, JJ. Why are you doing this now?
That doesn't mean that, like I said, Dave or any of these guys aren't going to have really good information, because they all do, like especially like a Witsit or somebody like that guy's pretty much top notch when it comes to, schooling these Glovers and educating people. I learned a lot from that guy, man. So I can't take that from him. I respect that part of it, but ultimately, it's not about how you feel or what you think. It's about the reality that these guys are plants.
I say, who cares? They're going to go whatever direction that they want to go.
That's them.
And if they go, you can follow or you can not follow. And that's how I look at it. Everybody's on their own trip, whatever they're doing, whatever angle it's got or whatever, just either you can stop by and say hi or you can just never talk to them again. That's kind of how I look at it. I look at it as, listen, everybody's going their own path.
I was kind of watching that Dave Weiss video he had on earlier, and I was just like observing, and I seen a couple of people in there, trash talking, saying, they couldn't even go to Vlad's anymore without that JJ talking trash about you. They're kissing up to Dave or whatever because he's got his, Harmons, but but that's when Dave Weiss says, yeah, JJ, he's the dumbest. It's like, okay, so I earned it, dude. I got it.
Well, it's big time, JJ. He said your name,
dude.
He's never said my name.
I am the dumbest. And
I would clip that. I would clip that shit and put it in my
Well,
yeah, but I don't want to be known as some divider. I will divide only by necessity. You know what I'm saying? Because we are in very, drastic times call for drastic measures, man. And these are absolutely drastic times, dude.
Well,
And
dude,
we have
I'm
to.
gonna one up you, JJ. I'm gonna one up you. Jaron called me the stupidest flat earther.
Yeah, see,
yeah,
you guys got accolades.
You got it, man.
I know.
You should be flipping that shit right out and playing it on your intro on your show.
Yeah, I should
play it right on there, and it'll Roger Lidwell.
I thought about that JJ Ascertain video they made about me. I'll play it as my intro. Just, hey,
nice.
Fuck it. Hey, fuck it.
I think he did it twice with me. One on Higher Side Chats, and there was another one on another stream he did with one of these little goons. Yeah. He doesn't even know me. I've only talked to him 3 times in my life.
Oh yeah. Well, yeah.
He's watching my content.
It's all about the ad hom anyway. It don't matter what you're gonna say. It's about the side that you stand behind. The ideology is the problem.
Ideology.
Yeah, you're a dumb flat earther. So.
Okay.
That's all that matters, Raj.
In the long run, grand scheme of everything, that's it. Okay, I want to take a look at Sally Fields. So you tell me if this is a boy or a girl.
Young Sally Fields is a chick.
That sounds like a dude to me.
Okay.
Well, she's got that whiny voice, and if you measure her head,
let's see.
Her head is proportionate to her shoulders.
Here's Smokey and the Bandit, a little clip.
Look at young Sally.
What do you do?
Well,
straight.
What do you say, JJ?
Dude.
Show me the dude part.
You know what anatomy is, right?
Yeah, I do.
All right, so you look at the brow line, you look at the jaw line, and you got to remember the surgeries that they're willing to go through. And not only that, a lot of it's generational. So they do it when they're young. That's why when they age, it really looks bad because they've done so many alterations, and when they do it when they're young, I'm telling you, man, you've had the hots for a lot of dudes. Okay. Trust me, brah.
Well, do you think this boy right here? Yeah.
Okay.
That's a girl?
Yeah. No, that's a chick, dude. Okay, now I wouldn't want to say that right off, but look at the jaw, right? Like it's soft, it's round, right? And that might be a dude. I don't know. I'd have to look a little more. You're talking about what's this dude's name?
You don't know who that is?
I'm just drawing a blank right now. I know exactly. Burt Reynolds.
Yeah, there you are. You got it.
There we go.
The Playboy Bruce.
Nothing ceases to amaze me, man. I don't want to be the guy that says everything is, whatever, but it is what it is, man. And the more you see it, the less you can unsee it, bro. And these people, that's what they do, man.
Maxine Waters is Jimi Hendrix.
All about,
I'm convinced.
Oh, you got that. You nailed it.
They revert everything, man, including their sexes. And we're all just, we're in for the ride, bro.
Okay. Well, I won't go to Hollywood to have sex. Let's put that.
Yeah. Careful.
No being a being a groupie, Roger.
Oh yeah. So you want both of those in songs?
No. Just the second one. The first one I can't. The second one. And look at that picture of Sally Fields on the end. That's the only.
Let's take a look at her.
Let's take a look.
Oh man, she's a hottie. JJ's gonna point out the dude in her.
Gonna pull out his.
Yeah. Hey, he does have a nice ass though.
Oh, he does, doesn't he? And they got the junk well hidden here. If there's still any left after all the surgeries. She would that was the surf movie, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Pulled up the right one, didn't you?
Well, the first one I thought of was in like a swimsuit. That was the first movie I thought of.
It was Frankie Valli was the star of that, right?
Yeah.
I'm no expert, man. I'm no gynecologist. I'll take a look though. But I'm no specialist.
He doesn't charge much, ladies.
Oh shit! No, I don't know, man. I'm just trying to figure this shit out, dude. Is all I'm saying. And
I got you.
It's crazy, man. It's mind blowing, to be honest.
Well, like back in the day in the old theaters, that they didn't have genders; they had eunuchs basically that performed all the roles because. I guess it gave them more time to rely on their acting. They didn't have any real form. They just kind of like went with the role they're playing. They became that male or female part, gender was the issue. It was entertainment. Yeah.
And I do think that they do play multiple characters and that whole flat Earth or with a fittest flat earther. I think he'll grow on you, man, because you might not believe. Like a lot of times, it's like, oh, that's pretty far fetched. But one will get you, and then two, it's like, oh, that one's definitely right. It's like he's on to something with that one, dude.
The one that I had to ask questions about though is Joe Rogan was Aleister Crowley, and I'm like, holy crap, really?
But once you see it, man, it's like we're being played to a extreme, bro, and it's mind blowing.
I want to be the unfittest flat earther.
Right.
Oh, I got the stupidest and the dumbest is next one. You could be the unfittest one.
Yeah, right. I'm in.
You ready to get out of here, Gus?
Yes, sir.
It's been 2 hours, and I got to work in the morning.
JJ Appreciation Week is coming to a flying stop.
No, it didn't stop yet.
No,
we're still
just getting the ball rolling, man. This is
the ball, JJ. Really?
The plane. You're say that. Don't you calling me a shill, dude?
Roll that barrel lid.
Son of a bitch. That was Freudian slip there, man. My bad.
Like sunset. If you go down south and just watch a sunset, you'll
that
know.
Manhole cover, JJ.
Hey, this is fire, man. We got
and nobody tried to come in except Wes. That was it. Yeah, that was a shame.
Really, JJ, really?
You go in there?
Really? This is what you're doing now? You insult me? All right, I see how you are, JJ.
How
JJ, let me ask you something, JJ.
Yeah.
He's waiting.
Sir. I'm waiting.
He's thinking
gravity,
of something.
JJ. Gravity, really?
We've proven it. What causes things to go down, JJ? What causes things to go down?
Bending.
Give me your formula. What's the formula for things going down at a certain rate?
Bending and warping of space time.
No,
that's all you need.
That's all you got, JJ. Really?
That's it, man. That's all. That's Einstein.
Hold on, I got to go get a cup of water. I'm going to prove containment without containment.
Oh man, yeah, hold on. Is the top open? Is it open?
Is it open?
Is it really? I'm living rent free in your head.
Yeah, it's
Saab called him out before he even got back. That was bad.
I give Wesley impersonation lessons. If you
do?
Email me.
Nice.
Yeah, this is a true definition of cringe. Like, oh man, these guys. But if we talk to the hand, we just got to stick to our guns, man. They'll kick rocks eventually.
Which hand?
Roger's an enabler, so that's our problem, D-man. We got to work on Roger, dude. I've been trying to come over here and like.
JJ, where did you learn this? I learned it from watching you. Okay.
It's this dumbest flat Earth guy over here.
Right, the dumbest flat Earth.
Hit that beam footage.
You keep enabling them, man. We gotta like shill wall.
Okay, who is Dwayne Peters? That's what I'm going to ask.
Yeah, who do you think it is? The master of disaster, one of the greatest.
Oh yeah,
okay,
ever. I got it. Nice.
It's band. It's a good song.
All right, let's hope I don't have to go back and edit this.
There's the checkerboard.
There we go.
He's covering his mouth. That's the vow of silence. All right, let's go. I'm ready.
Okay, that's all you got. All you got.
Is it a check?
That's a little appetizer. We'll get going here.
Okay. All right. Let's play it, guys. All right. And thanks for stopping in. We love you all.
Papers in your name. give your house away. What about my life? Gotta go down 'cause you're too late. What about my life? Won't lay down without a fight. What about my life? Gotta go down 'cause you're too late. What about my life? Won't lay down without a fight.
That was awesome, wasn't it? I like that. That was a nice beat.
DP's the man. He's on YouTube too.
Even though D-Man Appreciation Week's over, we appreciate you, D-Man.
Oh,
also, thanks, Roger. We appreciate you, brother. It was a fun night, man. Thanks to everybody in the chat.
Stream. It was fun. It kind of got boring when we put Eric DeBay on. But other than that, it was good.
Yeah.
Kind of took the wind out of it.
Good to see you, JJ. Good to see everybody in chat. Good one, man. Thanks for coming. See you in the next installation of JJ's Appreciation Week. I don't know what's coming down the pipe. I don't know what we're just tune into the next one. JJ's going to predict. He's going to